The 7 best nuts every diabetic needs to know about. What if I told you the snacks you've been avoiding might actually hold the key to better blood sugar control? That's right, some of the foods you've been missing out on could make managing diabetes easier than ever. Did you know the right nuts can not only curb cravings but also stabilize glucose levels and boost your overall health? In this video, we're diving into the 7 best nuts every diabetic needs to know about. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. When it comes to managing diabetes, choosing the right snacks isn't just about avoiding sugar. It's about fueling your body with foods that work for you. Nuts are nutrient-packed powerhouses, loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and protein that can help stabilize blood sugar levels while keeping you full and energized. For diabetics, smart snacking is critical to preventing dangerous blood sugar spikes and supporting long-term health. In this video, we'll explore 7 incredible nuts, each offering unique benefits from improving heart health to reducing inflammation. Stick around because these tiny superfoods could make a big difference in your journey to better health. Nut number 1, almonds. Let's kick off the list with almonds, an absolute powerhouse for managing diabetes. These little nuts are loaded with magnesium, a mineral that works wonders for improving insulin sensitivity. In simpler terms, magnesium helps your body use insulin more effectively, keeping your blood sugar levels stable, a critical factor for anyone with diabetes. But the benefits don't stop there. Almonds are also rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that supports heart health by protecting your blood vessels and reducing inflammation. This is especially important for diabetics, who are at a higher risk of cardiovascular issues. Now, how do you make the most of almonds? They are incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them raw as a quick, portion-controlled snack. Just about 23 almonds a day, which is around an ounce, is enough. Sprinkle them over your salads to add a satisfying crunch, or use them to enhance the flavor and texture of your morning oatmeal or yogurt. You can even blend them into smoothies for a creamy, nutrient-packed treat. Remember, while almonds are packed with goodness, portion control is key to avoiding excess calories. Incorporating these into your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to support your blood sugar management and overall health. Number 2, walnuts. Next up are walnuts, a true superfood when it comes to diabetes management. These nuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, the same heart-healthy fats you'd find in fish like salmon. Omega-3s are powerful because they reduce inflammation throughout the body, which is especially important for diabetics, as chronic inflammation can worsen insulin resistance and lead to complications. Additionally, studies suggest that walnuts may help lower fasting blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for stabilizing glucose over time. Walnuts also play a big role in protecting your heart, which is critical since diabetics face a higher risk of cardiovascular issues. Their unique nutrient profile, including antioxidants and healthy fats, works to improve cholesterol levels and support overall heart health. So, how can you add walnuts to your daily diet? They're incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate. Toss a handful into your favorite salad for a delicious crunch, mix them into oatmeal or yogurt for breakfast, or simply enjoy them as a quick snack. A serving size of about 1 ounce or 7 whole walnuts is all you need to reap the benefits. Keep them raw or lightly toasted to maintain their nutritional value. Adding walnuts to your routine is an easy and tasty way to take better care of your blood sugar and your heart. Number 3, pistachios. Pistachios might just be the snack you didn't realize your body was craving. These vibrant green nuts aren't just delicious, they're packed with nutrients that make them a powerhouse for diabetes management. One of their standout features is their high protein and fiber content. This combination works wonders for managing hunger, keeping you full longer, and helping to stabilize blood sugar levels after meals. They're a perfect snack to curb those midday cravings without causing a glucose spike. But that's not all. Pistachios are loaded with antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene. These nutrients help combat oxidative stress, a condition that's common in diabetics and can lead to complications over time. By including pistachios in your diet, you're not only supporting your blood sugar, but also protecting your cells from damage. So, how should you enjoy pistachios? Go for unsalted or lightly salted versions to keep your sodium intake in check. You can snack on them straight out of the shell, sprinkle them over salads for a crunchy twist, or even mix them into your favorite yogurt or smoothie bowl. A handful a day, about 1 ounce or 49 pistachios, can make a big difference. Delicious, satisfying, and health-boosting, pistachios are a must-add to your diabetic-friendly snack list. Number 4, pecans. Pecans are a true gem when it comes to diabetes-friendly snacks. These buttery, rich nuts are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for stabilizing blood sugar. Pecans are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and have a very low carbohydrate content. This makes them perfect for diabetics as they help slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream and keep glucose levels steady after meals. Beyond blood sugar control, pecans offer another major advantage: heart health. They contain plant sterols, natural compounds that help lower LDL, or bad cholesterol levels. This is particularly important for diabetics, as they are at a higher risk for heart disease. By adding pecans to your diet, you're not only supporting your blood sugar, but also giving your cardiovascular system a boost. So, how can you include pecans in your meals? They're versatile and easy to enjoy. Add a handful to your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a satisfying crunch. Use them as a topping for roasted vegetables, or incorporate them into baked goods like sugar-free muffins or breads. Remember, moderation is key. A small handful goes a long way. Pecans are proof that managing diabetes can still mean enjoying rich and flavorful foods. Number 5. Cashews. Cashews might just be the nut you've been overlooking, but they have a lot to offer, especially for diabetics. Unlike many other nuts, cashews are lower in fat while still being a fantastic source of essential nutrients. One standout nutrient in cashews is magnesium, which plays a key role in improving insulin sensitivity and overall blood sugar control. For diabetics, maintaining magnesium levels is critical, as deficiencies can worsen blood sugar regulation. What makes cashews even more unique is their potential to help with blood pressure regulation. High blood pressure is a common concern for diabetics, and the magnesium and potassium content in cashews can contribute to keeping blood pressure levels in check. This makes cashews not just a delicious snack, but a functional one for overall health. So, what's the best way to enjoy cashews? Roasted cashews are a fantastic choice. Just make sure to go for unsalted versions to avoid unnecessary sodium. You can enjoy them on their own as a crunchy snack or toss them into stir-fries, salads, or grain bowls for a bit of texture and flavor. With their creamy, nutty taste, cashews can satisfy your cravings while supporting your health goals. Just remember to stick to portion sizes, about a small handful, to maximize the benefits without overdoing it. Number 6. Brazil nuts. Brazil's nuts are an absolute powerhouse for diabetics, and they should definitely have a place in your diet. One of the key reasons Brazil nuts are so beneficial is their exceptionally high selenium content. Selenium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in reducing inflammation, which is especially important for diabetics, as chronic inflammation can worsen insulin resistance. But that's not all. Selenium also helps improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to manage blood sugar levels. What makes Brazil nuts even more interesting for diabetics is their support for thyroid health. The thyroid plays a crucial role in regulating your metabolism, and a healthy thyroid function can indirectly help with blood sugar control. With proper metabolic function, your body works more efficiently to maintain stable glucose levels. However, there's an important caution to keep in mind. Brazil nuts are incredibly nutrient-dense, and they pack a lot of selenium. While selenium is a good thing, too much of it can lead to toxicity. The key is moderation. A small handful, about 1 to 3 nuts a day, is all you need to reap the health benefits without going overboard. You can enjoy them as a snack or add them to oatmeal, smoothies, or even baked goods for a delightful nutrient-packed treat. Number 7. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are an incredibly nutrient-dense snack that can make a big difference for diabetics. What sets macadamias apart is their high content of monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats help to lower bad LDL cholesterol while also supporting heart health, an essential benefit for anyone, but especially for diabetics who are at higher risk for cardiovascular issues. Beyond heart health, macadamias are fantastic for stabilizing blood sugar. Their high fat and fiber content helps slow the absorption of sugars into your bloodstream, keeping your blood sugar levels steady throughout the day. Plus, they help curb cravings, which can be a game changer when you're trying to avoid unnecessary snacking or overeating. However, it's important to keep in mind that macadamia nuts are calorie-dense, so moderation is key. While they're packed with healthy fats, eating too many can lead to a calorie surplus. Stick to small servings, about a handful, roughly 10 to 12 nuts, to get all the benefits without overdoing it. You can enjoy them on their own, or toss them into a salad or trail mix for a tasty, heart-healthy crunch. Tips for including nuts in a diabetic diet. Now that you know the best nuts for controlling blood sugar, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your diet for maximum benefit. Balance is key. First and foremost, portion control is essential when adding nuts to your meals. While they're nutrient-packed and provide plenty of health benefits, nuts are also calorie-dense. Eating too many, especially without considering your overall daily intake, could lead to unwanted weight gain. A small handful, about 1 ounce or roughly 10 to 12 nuts, is usually the right amount for a snack. This keeps your blood sugar stable while preventing excess calories. When to eat, nuts can be incredibly versatile and should be spread throughout the day. They make for an excellent snack, but can also serve as meal add-ons. For example, sprinkle chopped almonds or walnuts over your oatmeal in the morning to boost fiber and healthy fats. Or add pistachios and pecans to a salad for extra crunch. They're also a great replacement for unhealthy dessert options. Try adding unsweetened chopped macadamia nuts or cashews to yogurt parfait, or even mixing them into a homemade trail mix for a satisfying treat. What to avoid? While nuts are healthy, it's important to be mindful of how they're prepared. Avoid candied or salted versions, as they can spike your blood sugar and raise your blood pressure. Candied nuts are often loaded with sugar, and salted varieties add unnecessary sodium, which can negatively impact heart health. Stick to raw, unsalted nuts for the healthiest option. By incorporating these nuts in the right way and controlling portions, you can enjoy a wide variety of nutrients while keeping your blood sugar in check. To wrap it up, the right nuts can truly work wonders for diabetics. By adding these to your daily diet, you're taking a big step towards better blood sugar control and overall health. Don't overlook these powerful snacks. They're not only easy to incorporate into your meals, but they're also incredibly beneficial for managing diabetes. Whether you're snacking, adding them to salads, or mixing them into smoothies, these nuts are a game changer. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, share it with someone who could benefit from these tips, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable advice on managing diabetes and living healthier every day. See you next time.